Hello, Girl 3. So, yung pumili ng fox. Okay? So, I should say na ikaw yung tipong person na medyo mailap, who less likely trust others, medyo possibly introvert type of person, no? May hilig ng animals, no? Um, but let's see, no, what we can read, no, sa cards mo, no. Salamat pala sa pagpasok sa ating video recording for your reading for next week. So this is actually kung ano yung next or expectation by next week for you. So posible na marami kayong pumili nito, but let's see kung ano ba yung makikita natin, no? Most probably yung iba dito are still studying or students, but let's see. First card is Five of Swords, the Devil card, tapos Page of Cups, King of Cups. Okay, so King of Swords, the Sun card, Wheel of Fortune, Four of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. Siguro, no, I can see here na ganito siguro yung personality mo because may traumatic experience ka siguro about sa relationships, about sa mga tao na nakapalibot sa'yo who betrayed you. So, there is an energy of betrayal dito. So, most probably baka itong mga person na who's actually yung past na mga tao who actually na pumasok sa buhay mo, medyo very tricky, no? Yung mga energy nila. So, it's like a major loss for you. Siguro may mga losses ka na encounter because of this na mga tao, no? Losses in terms of finances, losses that could be about heartbreak, no? Or you lose yourself mismo. Nawala yung totoong pagkatao mo dahil sa mga tao na to, na mga toxic. And so, kaya it's very mailap yung personality mo, no? And so far with the cards, I can see here na napapagod ka na. Napapagod ka na, gusto mo magpahinga and you wanted to elevate or to change yung situation mo. There is so much desire. Like, alam mo, sa nakikita ko sa'yo, parang para din, no, kung hindi man, no, some of you are like bata pa pero like nagmature ng biglaan, no? Nagmature ng biglaan dahil siguro, no, very toxic yung sistema ng pamilya ninyo or toxic yung brought up or yung background mo ng family niyo, or you're coming from a very toxic community, no? So, or most probably then you are working and you are very suppressed, parang sinusuppress mo yung mga emotions mo or yung mga feelings mo because you don't want to affect others. So possible, no, sana nafe-feel ko na you could be very an empath, na parang nafe-feel mo kung ano yung nafe-feel ng iba or ng ibang tao na nakapalibot sa iyo, no? And I actually see here na magbabago yung pananaw mo or your vision by next week because biglang may malaking pagbabago din sa sitwasyon sa nakapalibot sa'yo. Okay? So there are new person, may mga bagong tao, new person, new friends, new relationship. May mga taong mami-meet mo na magpapabago ng desisyon mo. May mga taong magpapabago ng pananaw mo sa buhay. So, next week will be a feeling of relief, no? There's the feeling of relief from these toxicities or yung with your trauma. ano kasi, parang nalulunod ka talaga sa mga takot mo. By next week, may new person na papasok, whether into commitment, relationship, or kaibigan, na who will actually help you realize na hindi lahat ng tao ay may iba yung intensyon, or bad yung intensyon sa'yo. So, next week, you will feel more important, you will feel more loved, and dahil dito, mas masaya ka by next week, mas magaan yung pakiramdam mo, at mas nakakatulog ka by next week. Um, I can see here na, kumbaga, may mga tao that will actually guide you, will will um, help you realize na may mga taong magaganda yung puso. Okay? So, may mga taong handang tumulong, magbibigay ng tulong, kumbaga, they will actually remove you from your darkness into the light. So, I can see here na posible din, no, na this person, no, itong bagong person na to, na papasok, posible manliligaw, it could be na ano, no, just a real friend, no, that who will definitely love you unconditionally. Okay? So, if in case na you're coming from a toxic relationship or a traumatic experience with the relationship, by next week, kung may mamimit kang person na who will um, actually, no, kung manliligaw or mag-effort na mag-ano sa'yo, like, no, trying to reach out, or makikipag-usap sa'yo, no, mas mafe-feel mo yung value mo, mas mafe-feel mo yung kasiyahan, and mas mafe-feel mo yung freedom from all the toxic and traumatic experience mo. So, mas mafe-feel mo yung care, kindness, love. No, there is like really an emotional or strong emotional connection by next week. Okay? And if in case na may mga yes or no na questions ka na hinintay, no? Like a sign, kung may hinahanap kang sign, no? Na if it's a yes or no, the answer for you is a yes. Definitely yes next week. Positively yes. Okay? So, balik tayo. Nakikita ko dito na there could be like an offer of a new relationship. There could be an offer na gustong-gusto mo, no? So, in terms of relationship, commitment, career, positively, positive yung outcome, no? By next week. So, if you have that desired outcome next week, then yes, makukuha mo yung outcome na to. Yes, you will be satisfied. You will be contented, no? Sa outcome mo by next week, kung ano man itong ginagawa mo. So, based on your decision, so to make a change, no, for the better, then ito na yung pagbabago that will make you happy, no, next week. So, very positive, no, yung sinasabi ng cards for you. So, younger woman. So, baka, no, may bagong babae, no, napapasok sa buhay mo. Wrath. Okay. Sorrow over loss. So, I guess, no, magbabago yung takbo ng pananaw mo about women. Posible, no? Because matatapos na din, no, yung nangyari before. So, magbabago dahil may magpapabago sa'yo next week.